Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign contacts on WhatsApp. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to just simply open up your settings on your mobile phone. So for that, I'm going to opening up my phone settings. So after opening up your phone settings, you have to just simply scroll down until you're able to find the option which is like sign or account and sign or any other option like that. So I'm just scrolling down until I will be able to find that specific option. So I'm not able to find, so I'm going to search it. You guys can also go to search bar and simply search for that specific, and here you will be able to find the option which is accounts and sign. So what you have to do is just simply select this option. You guys can also find on your Android device. Just interface will be changed and the method will be same. So you guys can be able to see here lots of applications are displaying here. Just simply open up this WhatsApp. So here, which is right next to WhatsApp, there is an option which is sign. Just simply hit on the sign button, and in this way you guys can be able to sign contacts through WhatsApp or sign contacts on WhatsApp. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.